Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on the Amazon Luna controller. Let's go ahead and start with the front of the box here. And the bottom. And the left side. I like that for the love of play. And then the right side. And the top. So let's go ahead and get this open. That's a nice touch right there. There says Luna at the top. First impression, it's kind of light. At least in comparison to some of the other mainstream controllers. Alright, this is the Luna, I assume like a basic introductory product overview. Oh, that's handy. This is all good information to have. And then, of course, we can't have a guide without the FCC compliances. Alright. And then, of course, Amazon branded batteries. So this controller seems to have purple as its main color. And the front of the box shows how the light lights up around the ring. Purple, so that's kind of neat too. It's nice that it's got the Amazon symbol in the back. So it does have these textured grips on the back. Not on the bumper buttons up here. I do like it's using USB-C as a charger. Alright, so I did bring in some of the other major controller companies, so that way we could compare them. So this is a PlayStation controller. As you can see, it's a little bit larger. Okay, let's go ahead and get an Xbox controller for you guys. Now, at a glance, it looks an awful lot like the Xbox controller. Definitely looks very similar. And then on the newer versions of the Xbox controller, they actually have the gripping material in the same place as this controller. So you can see they clearly went for an Xbox controller when they were modeling this controller. So I believe that is the end of our Luna controller unboxing. So let us know down in the comments what you would like us to unbox next, and we'll go ahead and catch you guys next time.